All right, everybody, what's up? How's it going today? Today's date is now October the 9th. It's a Thursday, and fortunately, guys, the market did not go the way we wanted it to go, and the market ended up dropping instead of getting a huge rally and breakout to the upside. So, welcome everybody. My name is Phil. For those that know me, I've been in the crypto space now for about 11 years, coming up in either January or February next year. I've seen three major bull markets and two major bear markets. And right now, the market is not really going according to plan, and we're maybe even closer to the top than we think. And every time an event like this happens, it leads me to believe that, you know what, maybe I'm going to be right after all. So the last two markets that we've had in 2017 and in 2021's bull market, they were described by how many days did it last after the Bitcoin halving season. So after the Bitcoin halving in both 2017 and in 2021, the bull market lasted between 525 days and 546 days after the halving. Right now, we're about 537 days. So in 8 days, we're technically going to break the longest bull market record. But unfortunately, even though we're going to break the record, we haven't really gone parabolic in any way quite yet, nor did we have the altcoin season. But the good news is that for every month of October and pretty much the beginning of November, we've always had a bullish year in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. So in 2017's bull market, very bullish October. 2021 October, that bull market, very bullish as well. And hopefully we're going to get a very bullish October this year as well. Let's just take a look very briefly at what we were expecting from Ethereum. We were expecting a breakout above these $4,800 key regions and to eventually break that all-time high of ours of 49.52, but unfortunately that didn't happen. Okay, so we just briefly broke the all-time high, then we came right back down, unfortunately. So this makes us believe what's really going on right now, and we question how authentic this rally could possibly be. If we fall below these regions that we're at right now, around 4,200, it's going to be disastrous, because then this higher low is going to play out. And of course, higher lows, they like to be challenged. Right now on the weekly chart, we're still holding very strong since June of last year. We bounced to the weekly kernel here, weekly kernel there. This is basically like a super trend indicator. It's like an EMA on steroids, and I use it as the main trend indicator of mine. So this is unfortunately at a support of around 4,100. We're rejecting multiple times here now. And unfortunately as well, on the R side, we ended up rejecting hard. You can see this lower high pattern forming, and it finally broke out of it. But unfortunately, we see that, that huge bull trap above there. Then we come right back down to these levels where we might find the support soon, we might not. I think it'd be better to just kind of evaluate what's going on and then to see how the market conditions will behave. I'm not longing anything right now except for day trading, short-term opportunities. Not longing Ethereum. It didn't hold at the 4,400 region that I wanted. And then let's move on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had a absolutely wild rejection. We bull trapped above the all-time high here for about 6 days now. Made an all-time high and came right back down, just like Ethereum. And right now, how many times now? 1, 2, 3 times since June that we tried to break above here. So we've technically had a triple top that were months apart from each other. And now this 4-day candle looks very, very bearish. I am the kind of trader and investor that will go according to market conditions based off of what we see. Some weeks I might be extremely bearish. Some weeks I might be extremely bullish. And that should be how most people are, should be. But majority of people they're only one directional. They want the bull market to go parabolic to the moon. So when any type of bearish news comes up, they unfortunately can't handle that, right? So, yeah, right now I'm bearish. I have to admit that I'm very, very bearish because that last 4-day candle was disastrous. we would have seen a very bullish market if we got 3 green candles going to the upside. That would be called 3 white soldiers. But we didn't get that. We ended up getting a huge red rejection candle instead, with a triple top so far for since June, however long that is, like 5-6 months now. And right now the daily MACD is looking like it wants to cross down, maybe in a few more days. So until we get more data, there's no way we can judge how this market is going to go. My advice is to be very, very cautious. Focus on day trading. Investing could get you absolutely wrecked right now because of the uncertainty in the market. We don't know which way it's going to go. We don't know if the bull market is even going to continue. Yes, institutions are buying very heavily right now, but we also don't know what their intentions are. Their intentions could easily be something as simple as accumulating as much as possible to drive up the price and then dumping literally on everybody so they can buy much more at a much cheaper price to get ready for the next cycle. So something as simple as that, is it really a conspiracy? No, it's highly probable as well. So my best advice is just to stick to day trading. That's where the profits are going to come. Right now, this is my profit. I just posted my Discord on P&L for the past 4 days because I've only traded for 4 days. I took a lot of days off. I'm up about $13,000 right now. $12,700 with no losing days. That's pretty crazy. That's averaging about 3-4K a day, right? Over 4 days, that's 3K a day, which is a substantial amount. I've been known as a day trader for a very long time now. If you guys want to day trade with me, take a look at the link below to join my Discord elite tier trading group. I also have an alerts signals group as well. It's just for a monthly subscription of all of the signals to go long. You guys should check out this link below. It's based off of my Kernel indicator that provides me with a very detailed alert system to show you guys how it works. There's a section on my Discord. If you sign up, you can sign up for a monthly subscription. It's a little bit costly, but you're going to get some of the absolute best signals. You'll get access to all of these kernel alerts to see when they fire off, when they buy, when they sell. The system is highly complicated and detailed to get into, but basically for the signals to go off, it needs to meet a ton of different criteria to buy, and the exit criteria is very strict as well. So you'll get access to the 30-minute and the 4-hour time frame as well. You'll also get access to this one here, the trending kernel. This is a very, very cool one because it tells you which coins, for example, this one right here, okay, B2 USD. This one's showing us, actually, I'll just give you a really good example, okay? For example, an AIA, this one pointed us to it earlier before the massive breakout, okay? So you see this massive, massive breakout that did hundreds of percents, did like 1,300%. What the kernel indicator does here is it'll alert you if it meets a certain pattern criteria. So if it's looking like this, where it's hovering above it within the specific defined range, the alert will go off. It'll bring you to the attention of the coin, and you might get an opportunity to long it on a breakout. It also found other ones like Jelly. That's on the 4-hour time frame. For example, on Jelly, it also found this one here, where on the 30-minute time frame, it was trending above a certain range of the kernel, like this. So it notifies you to it. Then you just trade the continuation pattern. So when you see something like this happens, it's going to bring it to you, to your attention, and you might get an opportunity for like a huge breakout. Another alert system that you're going to get is, for example, this one. Anything that moves a certain percent in a certain candle, it's going to be brought to your attention. For example, right now, Alice just moved 10% in 4 hours. So it goes there and it lets you see it. Okay, so you're going to see that in 4 hours, Alice probably just had a big green candle on a 4-hour time frame. There you go. So this guy here literally just spiked up 17% in a 4-hour candle. So you might want to go check out the coin and see what's going on. It might give you a very good opportunity to trade it. So take a look at the link below if you want to join this alert system of mine. It's amazing for people that are extremely busy and need a system that's going to help you. The cost is very expensive to join. It's $197 a month, but you never know. Give it a try for 1 month, see how it is. And if it's something that's for you, you might just like it quite a bit. So other than that, guys, today is some huge opportunities on some coins that I'm looking at. Some coins we're looking at is COA. I'm looking for a short position to short the third wave down. I'm also looking to get into it happened already. Geez. Too late, man. Unfortunately, I didn't catch this at all. Right? It happened literally when I was just kind of chilling today. And yeah, that's disappointing that it dropped 10% already. I was literally getting ready. My girlfriend and I, we got a late day to the start, or start to the a late day starting the day. Can't speak properly today. We were just eating and chilling, cleaning up. And I told her that we're going to short useless and COIA today. And here's what happened. We missed it completely. It just goes to show that if you want to day trade, you have to be readily and actively available and watching the charts with tons of alerts. I didn't even put an alert up there because I thought I was going to catch it. So now that I've missed one opportunity, the next opportunity is just around the corner to short a wave that has literally gone up 250%. So there's going to be some huge opportunities to catch these coins today. So I will leave you with this short video of about 11-12 minutes. Hope you have a great rest of the week. Be extremely cautious in the market. I hope to see a lot of you guys join my private elite Discord trading group. It's $55 a month. Got a huge community of lots and lots of active people. And especially for those that don't have access to my course yet, and if you've never taken any type of formal course, you need to start teaching yourself, because education is key. Investing in yourself is key. You're not going to be able to get yourself to any level unless you learn formally. When I first started out, I took pretty much every single course that I could from way back in the days, which are obsolete now, from people like Timothy Sykes, from Tim Grattani, Stephen Dutz, like all these old school guys from like 12 years ago that trade in the traditional markets that helped me get to where I am now. So if you haven't taken any course whatsoever, I highly recommend that you take my course version 3.0, Mastering the Day Trading Markets. You're welcome to DM me if you also want to get a lifetime membership with it for my elite Discord group. I'll be sure to give you a small discount to see what I can do to help you out. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in my group. Bye now.